Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my basic fire safety awareness classes. As you know that this is a continuous education program I used to give almost in every alternate days, that is Monday, then Wednesday and Friday. In 3 days in a week I used to give this type of a class, and already I had given first 10 videos of general safety awareness. Then I had started for giving a basic fire safety awareness. This is my 15th class. Last class I had discussed what is the fire engine and fire truck and fire tender. So today we are going to discuss about the what is a fire protection system. Protection system, active type of a fire protection system. Last class already I had discussed about the fire engine, fire truck and fire tender. Anyhow, I am not going to discuss very details, but just to have a review. Fire engine, it is and just like a truck, contains a water tank and also fire pump and some hoses. Whenever fire occurs, fire engine will reach there, and with this help of this fire hose and fire pump, we can start the firefighting. Whereas a fire truck, it is contains a long fire tools. The tools equipped like a low ladder, hydraulic type of a ladder, and also ground type of a ladder, and other tools required for the firefighting. And firefighting people also are there. A fire tender, which is mainly meant for giving this type of either water or a foam tender, which is firefighting media. This is going to supply for the system. So these are the general, just having a general knowledge of this type of system. Now today what we are going to discuss, fire protection system. Fire protection, we have already discussed about the other type of a fire prevention system and firefighting system. So I have already also told you what is the difference between fire protection and fire prevention and firefighting. Now we are concentrated on fire protection system. There are two types of a fire protection system. One is called active fire protection system and the other is called passive fire protection system. In case of an active fire protection system, that some type of a job will do it with the equipments. Some equipments we can get some type of a firefighting type of a job. Some job will be doing. Whereas in a passive fire protection system, it may not give any job, but it will resist fire for so many hours. Or so many, there are, depending upon the fire load of any building or in your room, different type of fire passive type fire protection systems are there. That we will be discussing later. So let us understand what is an active fire protection system, so it can give some type of a job. Normally in most of the building we can see that this fire alarm system, fire sensors and fire hose tail, fire extinguishers, all these things we have discussed. These are actually this fire hydrant system. These are all are active system, but there is again differentiation is there. There's an automatic fire alarm system and manual type of fire alarm system. Let us have a good idea about this system. First of all, as we know that fire has having 3 stages. What are the 3 stages? Initial stage, growth stage and decay stage. So if you want to protect the fire, what we have to do? We have to do initially itself, when as soon as the fire has just started, we have to sense the fire condition and activate some of the equipment. Here this is the what are the fire products there, that also we have discussed. What are the things? That is, smoke will be there, heat will be there, light will be there. So based on this fire product, we can make some type of a sensitive system, and that sensitive system will sense that fire initiation has started somewhere. So immediately we can activate either automatically or manually or giving some alarm, and firefighting we can do it. So what are this type of system is? This is one is called a smoke detector. Smoke detector, when fire is started, initially some smoke will be there. If we can detect this smoke in advance, and then we can activate either some alarm system or a fire sprinkler system, then fire we can control it. Then another one product is a smoke product. Next one is a heat detector. Heat detector, how it works means when the temperature of the building or a room or particular place, it has gone increases, that will be detected. And then either it can give alarm or automatically we can fight the fire with the sprinkler system. Then another type is there, that the fire product is there, light. Based on the light, supposing light is coming, so that we will discuss, that will be detected, and then based on that one, some fire alarm system or automatically or manually we can do it. So these are the three, based on these three products, three type of detectors are there. One is a smoke detector. A smoke detector is placed in most of the buildings, not only building, and the industries also, warehouses also, smoke detectors will be there. And again, then another one is a light detector. Light detector, that also there in some of the buildings. And again, the next one is a heat detector based on the heat. So this type of three detectors will be there in any type of fire, automatic fire system, fire alarm system when we are there. So as soon as the smoke come there, that will be detected and give the alarm that I have told you. And this smoke, how it is detected, means this is called ionization detector. That details we are not going to discuss because it will take too much of time. For discussing the ionization detector. That means something when smoke enter there, some ionization will be take place, and what happen means then electrical conduct will be activated and alarm will come in the control panel where normally securities are sitting or somewhere in that central place where alarm systems are there. So the person who is sitting there, he can come and inspect that whether this is due to real alarm, real fire, or any false alarm, because the smoke detectors are very sensitive. Even a small smoke, even somebody smoking a cigarette or somebody doing a spray, that thing enter there, then also it can detect it and give a false alarm. So that's why this type of system, whenever we are providing, a fire warden is normally required, and or in security, he has to go there and check whether it is due to real fire or a false alarm. If it is a real fire, then he has to start emptying or evacuating all the people and take the action. But if it is a false alarm, he has to just reset it. So this is one type of system. Then another one is a heat detector system. Heat detector, if the temperature has gone some certain limits, we have set it for some 50, 60 or degree. So if it has gone there, about that alarm will be there. And again that security people who are maybe, he can go there and attend the system. But that heat detectors normally not giving any type of a false signal. But in the fire protection system in the buildings and other thing, we are not depending upon only one the smoke. It is either combination of the smoke and heat detectors are there. Then one more system is the light detector system is there. Light, there are light contains that UV light, UV radiation, UV rays are there, infrared rays are there. So before when light coming, if we have sensed this type of a thing, either it is some special tube is, light sensing tube is there, then based on that we can give some type of a signal. Send this alarm, either the system gives signal and manually or automatically we can sense it. Then another one is a sprinkler system. Sprinkler means this is automatically some type of a special bulb is there that depending upon the temperature that will be melted, and the water is in the some complete tube is there, just like so water will become there depending upon the, sometimes the water is using somewhere it is another type of CO or wherever it is required, like in electrical system, automatic type of this type of system we can, when this like this computer rooms and other thing, this type of system, automatic fire detector, fire suppression system, we can use it. Like this there are a lot of things are available there. Where the active fire detection means it will do some type of a job, either from fire detection and alarm will give, or automatically that firefighting also will do it. Once it was given an alarm, we can do the next, we can take the step next way, either manually fighting, or if it is a real fire, emptying or evacuating all the people. So this is a very long chapter. I am not going to discuss any more things. This type of practice is a very long chapter. Each and every point, every item we have to take it and discuss it. The idea of this class is give you just general knowledge of what is this type of system. Not we are going very depth knowledge or detail in any of the system. That is because this is a basic fire safety training. Just getting a general knowledge only. Okay, for the time being, I am just stopping this class. Hope that all of you get some good knowledge, and I request you please like it and share it as you wish. And also, all of you have a good day. Good day means healthy, safe day, healthy, safe and happy day to everybody. Thank you to everybody. Thanks.